Can you transfer title of your house or your rental property to your children? Yes, you can, but in this video, I'm going to show you or talk about 2 ways to transfer property or your house to your children and what are the tax consequences if you do that as well. So of course, you can transfer title of your property, assuming it's your primary residence, to your children or to your siblings. Could be one child or could be many, or could be many people on the title. So this is easy to do and pretty straightforward. All you have to do is fill out a quick claim deed, transfer it from your name, from the exact title to the kids' names, and you have to record it with your local assessor's office. But there's a catch. You can only transfer the full value of the property, the full title, to your kids if your property is free and clear. If you have a mortgage on it, maybe you have a HELOC loan or you borrowed one loan or 2 loans, then the lenders have to be notified and the lenders have to give you permission to transfer the title. Most of the time, lenders don't like it that you transfer title to your kids or to your siblings or whoever, because they don't like that, because they don't know if the kids are going to be able to make those payments or not, and the loan may or may not be assumable. So a word of caution, if there is a loan, you want to at least talk to your lender or your banker and see if you can transfer. Most likely they're going to say no. So in this case, I'm going to give you a second opinion or a second option that you can do. But before I proceed, I wanted to let you know that I'm just going to talk about the title transfer, if you can do it or not. I'm not going to talk about the specifics that applies to you, because each scenario is different. It depends how you hold title. Are you holding title with you as a parent, you and your wife, or you and a partner? How it is held? Is it joint tenants? Is it tenancy in common? So a lot of variations. So to transfer the title to your kids differs as well. So I highly recommend, number 1, that you talk to your accountant, and number 2, talk to your attorney to get legal advice. Now, I also mentioned the accountant because when you transfer title to your kids or whoever, few things going to happen on each side. You as a transferor or the owner of the property may lose the tax benefits. If you have a loan, you may not get the interest rate deductions. You may not get the property deductions. You may not get the homestead deductions. So you may lose that depending on how much income you're making or not. So it's something to think about. On the other hand, you may be transferring the title to your kids, and now they are able to deduct property taxes and get a homestead if it's an owner occupied or if it's a rental. Things vary. So there's a lot of variations. That's why you should consult an attorney or a tax professional for you to transfer. I would say that if you're transferring $500,000, $1 million, $2 million asset to your kids, it's worth spending $300, $400, $1,000, $1,500 to do it the right way. You'd be surprised how many calls I get. They want to transfer the title and they want me to help them do it. And I say, I can't. Hire an attorney. And the first thing they say is, attorneys are expensive. You're transferring an asset, the biggest assets probably of your life. And I'm not going to say the word, but you're worried about a couple of $1,000s or a couple of $100. So don't be cheap when you do that. So the second way to transfer title of your property to your kids or children or nephews and nieces or whoever is if you have a loan on it. The other option is you can transfer it or you can form a trust. There's revocable trust and there are irrevocable trust. Now, when you do a trust, then what you can do is you put your kids or whoever you want to transfer title to or whoever you want to get that property to, you make them the beneficiary. So that's another way to do it. Again, there's all kinds of trust and you need to seek legal advice. So hope this helps. I have another video that I did a couple of years ago on all the ways to transfer title. It talks about how to transfer title using quit claim deed. And this can be done in any situation. So please watch this video. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I would really appreciate it.